Since the start of the pandemic, the Attorney General and his office have investigated several vendors for price gouging. Now his office says they're taking a stand against the illegal increases and will continue to file lawsuits against those taking advantage during the pandemic.
These price gouging situations, I think, are very, very rare. We know prices are going to go up, but the issue here is it a reasonable amount? And are people taking, are some sellers, not all sellers, there's a very small minority of people who do this, but are some sellers taking advantage of a situation?
Under North Carolina's price gouging statute, in effect until April 5th of this year, charging too much for any goods or services during the pandemic is a crime.
We accept day-to-day price changes for products. We know, for example, if there's a freeze in Florida, the price of orange juice is going to go up.
Attorney General Stein agrees that majority of sellers don't illegally up their prices, but any that do, they take extremely seriously.
If you're out there looking for masks or tests to deal with COVID, and you think a seller's charging some crazy price, let my office know so we can investigate it and either take a picture of the price, or if you purchased it, send us a copy of your receipt, and then that way we can look into it.
Attorney General Stein tells me since the start of the pandemic, they've brought lawsuits against 2 sellers for COVID price gouging, winning both cases. He says he won't allow greed to harm North Carolinians at some of the most desperate of times.
When there's an emergency, you and I become in a desperate situation. We might not have power for days. So we need a generator, or a tree might have fallen on our roof and we need it removed right away, or there's no more gas at the gas station because of a pipeline shutdown. Whatever it is, when we have that desperation, it's illegal for a seller to exploit it and rip us off.
The Attorney General says those who violate the price gouging law subject themselves to $5,000 per violation. To report price gouging, you can file a complaint with the Department of Justice's office at ncdoj.gov/complaint or call 1-877-5-NO-SCAM. Reporting, I'm Emily Severidge, 9 on your side.